sir.
And we're going to have you put that away. We can put it right here. We're going to record this drive for you right here on this USB.
All right.
Thanks, Steve.
You're all set.
All right. What's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph MJ.
MJ.
Nice to meet you. And if you want, I know that it's, say that again. Okay. Wait a minute. Go all the way out.
Go deep. There's another car down there.
Okay. Well, if you want to try to like lean your bottom forward, like slide, to give your head a little bit more.
Yeah.
How tall are you?
6'5".
6'5"? And you seem taller than that because I'm only 6.
Yeah. Maybe it's the driver's side. Maybe, who knows?
No, it's great. Thanks for coming out. Who'd you come out with?
Oh, I took my dad. He's
nice. We just got him in the Ferrari, right?
No, he's in the 488.
Okay.
Yeah, he's in the back. So he didn't want to drive, so we're like, all right, we'll just ride, I guess, you know. So otherwise, he probably slowed down the whole row.
Nice.
Oh, that's good. They let you go first.
They're gonna let us go up there so that we can kind of run our own little speed here.
Yeah.
So while we're out there, we can carry on a conversation.
Yeah.
You don't have to be quiet or anything. Just ask questions, and also I'll show you like what I'm doing. Meaning, I'll show you like, okay, here's a good corner. Here's what happens if it's a bad corner.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah,
I've never been to this track. I've been to that Kansas Speedway, and then, but I guess this one. I don't know how long this track's even been here.
Well, so it just went public, meaning public drives a few years ago.
Yeah.
But it actually is a privately built track for a guy for his friends and family.
Yeah.
And so what happened was, and by the way, I spoke to the track manager, so I'm not making
quick picture.
Yeah.
This mirror here, that looks really cool.
And so what happened is the aggregate was starting to come loose on the track.
Yeah.
And so they said you got to have cars on this track more often.
Yeah.
So then they opened it up for public stuff. So while we're out there, what I'm looking for is cones to show me. Now I know because I do this a lot, but when to lift, when to brake, what's a braking zone, and there's orange cones that are turn-in cones.
Yeah.
And so that's what I'm watching for. And one tip I would say if you're ever driving is people always turn too early on those cones. And I'm going to show you later when we start going, okay, here's what happens if I go perfect. Here's what happens when I go late.
Yeah. How long is this track?
I think it's 1.8 if I remember right. It's like 1.85.
Yeah. And I guess the only straightaway is the one here in the front?
No, we've got several.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This must be either a fun or a tiring job.
It is, well, it's always fun, but as I'm getting older, it's a little more taxing.
Yeah.
But honestly, like I'm happy that I can still do it because I enjoy it. At first I joined to be around, the cars because I love cars. Yeah. And then you get so close with the buddies. And I'm not in the military, I'm not a fireman, but I got to assume that's the camaraderie that a military person feels when they share a dangerous, crazy experience. Because like these guys, even though I only see them, every couple weeks, whatever, is that, we don't, I just feel like I'd do anything for them, because we're doing something so crazy.
Yeah.
So these first 3 or 4 laps, we just kind of warm up to highway speeds, and I'm waiting for them to radio in my ear that all the cars are on track, and then we'll really be rolling.
Yeah.
So next time through, we'll really be moving here. I'm on the brakes. I'm waiting for the orange cone. Waiting. Now I make my turn, and then watch my hands. I don't have to do anything. I hit my apex. I'm lined right back up to go right down the other way. I always want to be on the side that I'm going to be away from. So if I want to turn right, I'm going to be on the left side. If I'm going down the right, I'm always going to be on or if I'm going to turn left, I'm always going to be on the right side. And then you're going to see I really pride myself on very, very smooth. No jerky motions. areas where people turn too early. When I turn properly, bam.
Yeah.
And then right here, I like to go straight. Even though it looks like a right-left, it's almost a straight shot.
Yeah.
And here we go. I'm going to let him go by, and then we're going to jump right in.
Yeah, that's my dad in front of me. He's in that one.
Yeah, he's with Bob, I think, and that's who that is.
Yeah.
So we'll just kind of play with him here. And nice and tight. So you hear the tires. This is an all-wheel drive car, so it really understeers. That you're under an emergency braking thing, it flashes the lights like that. Now we're gonna wait and then go. There we go. Now I'm gonna show you what happens when people turn early. So I tell them to turn, but they see the orange and they go like this, and then watch. I'm like headed right off the track. So it's really important to come around those cones, and now I've got a nice straight line here. If one person is off on their line just a tick, and you hit your line just right,
Yeah.
you're like 100 yards behind, and then all of a sudden you're right on them again. It's amazing. Nice. That was a blast.
Yes. That was fun.
Hey, thanks for going.
Yeah.
And I hope your dad had a great time too.
I know. Hopefully you didn't puke everywhere.
Oh no. I'll tell you, I would know, because that is actually a serious radio call.
Oh yeah.
The damage that it does to the inside of a car, it goes places where you can't clean, you know?
Yeah.
And it's a big deal.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull up just like they are. They're going to take your photo twice.
Okay.
10 feet, 3 feet away. And if you want to do thumbs up, whatever, you sure can.
All right.
Nice. Time for a picture.
All right, right on.
3, 2, 1. More. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Thank you. All right. That was great.
That was fun.
Yeah, I hope you had a good time.
That transmission takes a beating, man.
Oh, it's terrible. Just terrible. And then they do it time after time after time.
Yeah.
And they just don't give us problems. They really don't. They're very reliable.
Yeah. I've seen one. This one's only got 26,000 miles. I've seen some that are like 100,000 miles on them.
We've got like the red one that's out here. It's 7,900 miles.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You can just pull straight out, and there's no good way to get out. I mean, there just isn't.
I'll just roll out. Do I take this one with me?
Oh, push that top circle there.